Hello guys, welcome to this new channel. My name is Saji. I am a full-time marketer. I create this channel to introduce myself to people all around the world because I already known just on private forums. So I will create a video talking about my life later. So first thing I will do on this channel, I will create a full free course on dropshipping e-commerce from zero and completely friendly for beginners, step by step, from choosing the domain name to creating campaigns on different platforms to send the product to customers. And I will also talk about problems that no one's talk about on YouTube, and I will show you the hide face of dropshipping because a lot of YouTube creators show that this business is easy. In fact, dropshipping is not complicated and at the same time is not that easy. It's required hard work and study and discipline every day because in the end is a business can change your life. So, after this course, you don't need anything to start your own business. Just focus on my videos and I will give you a value on $1,000 courses because you all already know the process, guys. You just need your touch and no one can give you this. So, subscribe to the channel guys and stay tuned.